Okay, Christian, another house for you. Where are we headed to on this one?
This one, we're heading out to Kearns.
Okay, flying over Kearns, look at all those beautiful trees. And we're going to look at a single family home at a real reasonable price.
Yeah, at this price range, it's hard to get into a single family home. And the location is amazing, Jay. You're right in between Bangerter Highway and the Mountain View Corridor. So commute in any direction is great. And you have land here. You're not stuck in an HOA. You're not limited to what you can do. You're in a single family house.
Yeah, and a lot of people don't realize that when you're buying a condo or townhouse, you're really not buying a land. Land is valuable. Land is what appreciates. Houses actually depreciate. And so getting in something like this, it might feel like a little bit of a stretch, but you're going to save on the HOA costs and you're going to be able to make it your own, and they'll appreciate a lot better.
Absolutely. And this is a house that it was owned by an artist. There's a lot of cool art throughout the house. Somebody can, take advantage of that, or they can customize it and make it their own. You step into this kitchen, all the appliances are included, including that washer and dryer. So Jay, this is move-in ready.
Okay, so how many bedrooms and baths are we talking about?
You've got 3 bedrooms, you've got 1 bath.
Perfect. Okay, and so this again, buyers that are kind of on the fence, hey, I'm thinking of a condo, townhouse, to get into this and make it your own and go and make the touches and changes you want, put that, instead of putting that money into the HOA, you put it towards the backyard and fixing up and making it your own. These are properties that will gain a lot of appreciation over the next few years, and a real good opportunity.
Absolutely. Great location, great opportunity, and it's going to continue to gain value.
Yeah, so if you're thinking condo, townhouse, you always want to buy a house because it's associated with land. Land appreciates, houses actually depreciate.